We've got our breakfasts. The cat is over there. Cherry yogurt with some granola, and Dimple's got avocado toast and apple, and this is the breakfast view. How insane is that? We've hired a boat for today. Oh my god, this is thin yogurt. We love that. So if you ever come here and you end up staying at our Airbnb, there are little like paths just off the roads that are very steep and very slippery when wet, but they are a little bit of a shortcut and keep you away from the main road, which can be quite busy and tight. I'm very excited. This iced coffee is going to hit different when we get down. We are at this little cafe that's right next to the station. We do iced coffee and it's really good, and I didn't realise they had alternative milks, so this is whole milk, but it's fine. Might get the guts flowing. They do iced coffee with cream, and they do iced cappuccinos, but I don't know the difference, so I'm gonna find out. I'll get back to you and we'll have a coffee lesson together. So a latte is coffee and milk, whereas a cappuccino is coffee, milk and milk foam. The more you know. Ciao! It's UV6 everybody, it's UV6! Everyone, sunbathe! Oh my gosh, and we go back tomorrow, so today is a very important day for sunbathing. Just get me a little tinge of colour, please. Oh god, I'm gonna have to get a spray tan at this point.
No. No, you don't want to be orange.
No, like a good spray tan. I want to be orange.
Sure.
I go kind of orange anyways, not like this orange. Don't the blue and the orange complement each other so well as well? That's why I chose to wear it together.
That's why the 2021 Monaco livery was the best. With McLaren.
Oh yeah, that was such a good combination. My nails are really irritating me. I can't wait to cut them all short when I get home. Also, we walked past a little market with this really cute skirt, and I think I might go back and get it.
I think you should.
Ooh. There's a birdie.
So cute.
A little birdie. I made a little cheese ham and salad baguette before we left. I'll munch on it now.
How is it? Give it a rating. Let's do a food review of your own lunch. How's the baguette?
Good. Maybe like a 7.
Okay.
Mayonnaise would have made it better.
Maybe you could have found like the pouchy mayonnaise, but they don't have that in here. It's not like there's any McDonald's or anything we could pick up from. Which actually, I have not seen any chains here.
Hello, welcome to our boat.
I am your captain.
The boat is very fun. We have an ice cooler for my baguette I made earlier. It's brilliant. It is so lovely. So this is Varena boat hire. It was for 3 hours, 200 euros. And there was a whole family on the one before us. So like, if there's more of you, it works out really well. And it's, I think it's very relaxing, unless a big ferry goes by, then it creates like waves, but it's fine. He gave us a route to do, but we kind of just want to like chill, really. But we'll drive about a bit, but it's good fun. Very good fun. Methinks.
I love it.
Such good vibes. Oh lordy lord. I'm currently eating the world's biggest apple. If I hold it close enough, look, it's bigger than my head. Hey apple. We've literally been on half an hour. We've booked this for 3 hours. And I'm already feeling seasick, but it's fine. As long as I just breathe, I'll be okay. I've been having a wee nap. I still haven't finished my apple. but I thought I need to get in, even if it's just for a few moments. Because why would I come to Lake Como and not have a little dip, even if it is only 20 degrees?
Exactly.
Put my watch on water mode. We're going to start an outdoor swim.
Swim to Menagio. That's just behind you.
Just behind me.
Easy work. Light work. Light work, no reaction.
Bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. Open water swim. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this does not feel practical. Ah!
Are you sure you don't want to use a ladder? Because then how are you going to get up?
The ladder. Let's put the ladder down.
Yeah.
Let's go to the ladder.
Follow me on my boat tour.
Come with me.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
I'm really scared.
Don't be
The ladder's
scared.
moving.
Don't be scared.
I think what I'm going to have to do is jump in. Just do it, Sinead. Just do it.
Just do it. You can do it.
I'm really scared.
You can do it.
What am I scared about? You literally can't swim. You just got to shake your legs. Okay.
You got it. You got it.
Can you take a photo?
Yeah.
That's pressure. 3, 2, 1.
How was that?
Very refreshing. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nap time. Hey vlog, I'm just having a little power nap, a little cat nap after my swim. I tracked a workout on my watch when I was doing it, and it said it was 10 minutes long, but at least 5 minutes of that was me trying to help myself, hype myself up to go in, and then I was probably in there for about 20 seconds at a time, but good fun. So I'm just drying off and doing some deep breathing exercises. But it's lovely. This is how every day should be lived. Every day is Saturday. I saw a guy with that written on a t-shirt yesterday and now I really want it. Every day is Saturday. Genius.
Chiquitita, tell me what's wrong.
On a boat in Italy listening to this. What the heck?
You're enchained by your own sorrow.
We're going. We're heading back because it's got a bit cloudy and a bit windy.
I'm driving.
Yeah, Dimple's driving and I'm just being passenger princess. You know what it's time for.
3, 2.
Oh, bear with, I've got no.
3, 2. Cheers. I kind of want to keep it down. Actually, no, I want the lemon.
What if the water flies into it and you, without you knowing? It's my biggest fear with drinking from cans.
Really?
Well, one of my fears.
How can it fly into it without you noticing it?
What if you're admiring the views? Ooh, I want to have some of that Coke. Says Mr. Wasp.
Ooh.
Says Dimple. Ouch! And also I want the ice.
Yeah, I want them. Lemon.
Just been doing a photo sorting session because you would not believe how many we took today.
It's good content though.
The video of me jumping in there is so fun. Oh, could you send it to me?
Of course.
Thank you. I should have stuck to my guns and got tomato pasta though, because this is not hitting the same. But I don't know what this is then. Where's the cream cheese is not really cream cheese then. Still tastes really good. What do you mean? Where's the olive? Right there.
I know, but we asked for olives separately.
Do you know how I know we're hungry? We didn't even stop to take a photo.
Oh my god, yeah.
Look, it's so sunny. It's beautiful. Wowee. On the hunt for some ice cream. Got pistachio and hazelnut. And what did you have?
Banana and mango.
Yummy.
Two of my favourite flavours.
We're very opposite in our flavours as well. You like fruit and I like.
I mean, they did have the chocolate one.
Yeah.
And I was tempted to get 3 scoops. And I was like, that might be a bit much.
Ciao. We just walked up to the train station because there's like an information desk there. There's a car coming, bear with me. Bear with me now, bear with me. But the information desk was closed. So we saw a little taxi guy and I was like, can we book you for tomorrow morning? But he just handed me a card, so we've WhatsApped him. So we have come to a little bar, got some olives. I Aperol Spritz. I'm so Italian. These olives are so good. And I'm watching the sunset as well. My potatoes are here. Just needed a bit more savoury, you know.
The olives are incredible.
Messaged our Airbnb host. He's booked us a taxi. Absolute legend day. This is a skirt I bought today. I've never been one for long skirts, but it spoke to me and it fits really well. We're gonna get ready for bed, pack, because we are leaving here at 9 AM. I just closed the balcony doors and there was an old couple out there. Oh, Dimple, this is our last night sharing a bed. I know, oh my gosh. I haven't even noticed you here in this huge bed.
I know,
Wait,
it's so different.
Put your head up a little bit. Dimple just saw a TikTok about the Pret employee that got trapped in a freezer. She's reading the comments. They're funny. They're very funny.
I bet they told him to chill out.
Is it just me who gets excited to, like, after a trip, like, go home?
Yeah.
It's just me.
No, as in I'm excited as well.
Oh, this is so good. Oh. Anyways, grazie mille. I found out today grazie mille means 1,000 thanks. Isn't that so cute? Tune in tomorrow for the final vlog. I'm not sure.
Will this be the final vlog?
No, I'm vlogging tomorrow.
Travel day vlog.
I love a travel vlog.
Do you know what, yeah? I'm so happy. All of the ice cream places that we went to, they haven't been pumped with air.
Yeah.
Have you seen the
Yeah.
locals always say if you're like, if the gelato places are like really high up,
Yeah.
that means you're basically paying for air.
All the food we've had here has been insane. So like, I would highly recommend Ravenna as a place to stay. Like 10 out of 10, amazing food. Like you can, some places you have to book, some places you can just walk in. Anyway, see you in the morning.